Epic Toys TV.
Hello! Today we are building an excavator using wooden construction blocks. We start with long red rectangle, then make small wheels, and finally tighten the screws to make it working. The first one is ready. Wow! Amazing! Let's build a second one together. Isn't it pretty cool? Now we need more wooden parts. 2 green and 1 red platform. Next, 2 long screws. We put on them 6 cubes. Next, we turn the screws to strengthen the vehicle. There, perfect! It looks pretty cool, but it's missing something. What could it be? Oh, it's excavator arm! Let's continue building. The combination of long and short wooden blocks. Let's turn it with long screws. Okay, here we go. Let's connect excavator arm with a vehicle. Let's connect excavator arm with a vehicle. Now it's time to put everything together.
Oh yeah!
Wow! Amazing! But guys, is it working? Yes, it is! Now look at the real one, the excavator. Does it look similar to our toy one? That was easy. Our wooden excavator looks great. Thanks kids for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and see you in the next episode. Bye bye!